There is zero lag in that. That is very impressive. This is playing a full-on PlayStation game. It's working perfectly with Crash Bandicoot. This game right here makes this machine worth it. Oh, it's running it. It's running Mario 64. Yeah, look, it is actually very smoothly too, with zero latency. Go over this retro handheld game console. Yes, you heard me right. This is a small little handheld gaming console. I didn't know what to expect, but now after getting it in and using it for a couple of days, I highly recommend this for anyone that just wants to have some retro style game. So let's just go over the box here. So this thing has Wi-Fi compatibility. It's a gamepad. It's got 10 emulators built into it, and it's got a memory card. Actually, 2 memory cards set up for it. So the screen resolution is 1024 by 768. It's a 4.2 inch screen, which isn't like small, but it isn't big. It's like the perfect size for a little small gaming console. The CPU is a 64-bit quad-core Cortex CPU running at 1.5 megahertz. This little thing is running at 1.5 megahertz of power in there. The RAM in it, it's got 1 gigabyte of DDR3L RAM. It comes preloaded with a memory card. Now this memory card has N64, PS1, Neo Geo, GBA, FC, which is Famicom, Super Famicom, Master Drive, and then it's got several other PSP, and it's got the memory card it can run anywhere from a 16 gig to a 256 gig. Battery will go about 7 hours. I'll fully charge this thing. When you get it in, mine was completely dead, so go ahead, fully charge it up. You get a little user manual here that just kind of goes over the buttons and all that. To start it up, you're going to hold this down for, I think, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, yep. Comes on. You can see right there. Look at how nice and bright that screen is. You can see the back there. We'll just go over it. So the memory card's right there. You get a second kind of game memory card. That's the DC in for charging it. You do get a USB-C cable in there. You get a headphone jack coming out. Now, I can't play the music for copyright reasons. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. You can see I can go down through the systems. NEC, Family Computer, Super Famicom, Nintendo. Actually, let's just go ahead. Let's run the Nintendo. So I'm going to hit A. Now, when I hit A, it brings up all of the games. I don't know how well you can see it in there. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Red Shadow. Let's just do something that we all will know. Let's go with some Tetris. Let's go silent on the music. So that way you can hear. Uh-oh, I accidentally hit the reset. Let's do all that over again. By the way, there's a power button, a reset, a volume up, down right there, R2, R1, L2, L1 right there, dual sticks right here, and Y, X, B, A, start, select, and a gamepad. The gamepad, you know, it feels like a gamepad. And then you can hit the reset button and it'll reset the entire console. So that's what it's doing. It's going through a reset, all the different types of systems. Really, you got Nintendo 64 on here, Nintendo Game Boy Color, Sega. Let's go Sony PlayStation. No way this has the Sony PlayStation on it. Let's try Crash Bandicoot right here. That looks very good. One thing that I can see, I've got a wide thumb. The buttons are pretty close together. There is zero lag in that. That is very impressive. This is playing a full-on PlayStation game. Okay. I'm impressed. Wow, the sticks work fine. How about the gamepad? The gamepad works too. I don't think that stick does anything on this game. I don't see any issues with Crash Bandicoot. Well, you can't slide jump those guys. Okay, now let's try something else. To get out of this, you're going to hold down, start and select 2 times. It's going to bring you back to this main screen. Should we play some more? Okay. This worked perfectly. Mega Man is working also. Actually, let's use the stick. Once again, there's no latency in the buttons. Very smooth animation. The screen is surprisingly good. And I'm basing this on what this costs. When I think of affordability of what this thing cost, is it worth it right there? So far, Mega Man works great. I don't see any issues in Mega Man at all. Look at this. We're already at one of the endings there. To get out of it, once again, hit that again. I'm going to try to show y'all all the different types of game. Ridge Racer, Rayman, Resident Evil, Resident Tekken, X-Men, Mutant. So let's go back. PlayStation Portable, Microsoft, Sinclair, Commodore, PC Engine, movies and VHS. What? Wow, I like that it has the Capcom. What does it have as far as Capcom? Oh, nice. It's got all of the Capcom classics on here. 1941, Strider, Ghouls. If it plays Ghosts and Ghouls, that is an amazing game in itself right there. I think these are arcades. It is. It's a direct port of the actual arcade. I gotta turn it down. Okay. This looks really good, everybody. Oh, that's hilarious. I got turned into a duck. Once again, look at the almost zero latency. Let's go back. Okay, you can see all the different. I like that it gives you the artwork too, and it plays it as it's going. A lot of the Japanese ports too. Atari 5200, NEC PC Engine, Family Computer. Oh, that's the Super Famicom. 113 games as far as this. You know what? Let's do one that we all know. Mario All-Stars. No way. Mario All-Stars is on this? Oh, nice. Okay, we'll see how responsive this is. Right now, the emulation is flawless on this thing. Let's check the latency. Well, that feels pretty good right now. Okay, usually I can tell pretty quick with Mario how the latency is on these things. Okay, that felt good. I don't see any issues with Mario at all. Save and quit. Let's go back. Actually, let's go out of this. So let's go back. Let's see if there's Super Mario World on here. Super Mario World 1 and 2. So 2 is basically Yoshi's Island. You've got to be kidding me that Super Mario World is on this system and playing as well as it does. Once again, okay, well, no issues with that. Let's go N64. N64, and let's just run Mario. If it can run Super Mario 64, that's an impressive feat on something this small and this compact and being in a handheld like this. Well, the load screen worked, and it looked like all legit, like it's an actual. That all works. I didn't actually have an N64 when I was younger. I had a PlayStation. The PlayStation I just liked better than the N64. Wow, that looks great. This screen, I don't know how well it's coming out. It is an LCD screen, but it looks really good. Oh, it's running it. It's running Mario 64. Yeah, look, it is actually very smoothly too. With zero latency. Wow, that's nice, everybody. I don't see any problems with the N64 either. If you're looking for a grab and go system, this is something I recommend for you. You can just grab this. It's preloaded with tons of games. You have everything you need from Game Gear all the way up to arcade games and pretty much everything. And so far, everything I threw at it, it handled extremely well. It worked PlayStation. I ran the arcade. It ran the N64. I have a feeling it'll run pretty much everything else after that. So I recommend this. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the, handheld gaming console. See you on the next video.